The ever-changing challenges within the educational environment require all teachers to be ready at a moment's notice to switch up routines, be flexible, and incorporate ideas of hybrid and flipped learning. With the amazing resources in Canva, teachers have flexibility at their fingertips. Filter presentations to choose the Talking Presentations option. Talking presentations allow teachers to easily record engaging presentations for learning. For secondary educators, a design like this science lesson template allows the learner to dive deep into the concept while constructing questions and initiating formative assessment along the way. Educators can use the ellipses menu in the upper right corner to find the Present and Record button. Select Go to Recording Studio to begin recording yourself while talking to your presentation slides. Within a flipped learning approach, educators can use talking presentations to make learning more functional, interactive, and intentional. Share your recorded presentation with learners as a published link students can access anytime. Recording presentations adds interactive elements for learners and allows for accessible learning that is crucial for students. Learners can see and hear the presentation aloud, go at their own pace, and repeat anything they may have missed. This functionality makes the presentation more accessible and allows the students to engage with it. For primary educators, this visual arts lesson template allows for a hybrid classroom to incorporate interactive, virtual components for learners. Simply add specific guidelines and activities to the presentation for students to be able to follow along, in person or virtually. Canva makes recording narration and staying on time easy, giving delivery a sharp and professional feel. Learners can consume content at their own pace. This results in more independent and critically thinking students. Flexibility is key, so leverage the many resources, templates, and tools in Canva to make lessons in classrooms hybrid and flipped learning friendly.